So, hello, Paul, Mike, and Lucy. Thank you so much for coming to Rosliston Forestry Centre today and doing some amazing tasks for us. It's been really brilliant working with you. So, could you tell us a little bit about what made you come to Rosliston and how it works out for you as a team coming to a place like this and working for us?
Okay. Well, first of all, thank you very much. And we all work in the customer team in operations back in Rolls-Royce. And um, as people will understand, the last couple of years have been pretty tough. So we're a new team. We've all been thrown together. We've not had a lot of opportunity to actually come together though. So whilst we've tried our hardest with lots of things online, we really wanted to get out and to get some time together to bond as a team and to hopefully put something back as well. And I think that really today, the day that we've had with Lawrence, with Catherine and with yourself, Kate, has been enormously helpful for us. We've all enjoyed it and we all feel as though we've achieved something. So it's ticked the boxes.
I think to echo that, it's been with COVID. We've been stuck behind computer screens the last 2 years. It's been great to get together as a team and kind of get through hopefully all this COVID stuff and get together and be out in the outdoors. And it's been great for kind of team bonding and getting to know our team a lot better face to face because it's a completely different kind of relationship. Like when you're digging a hole compared to when you're working through issues at work. So it's been really great fun.
Yeah, I think lastly, personally, I've benefited from being able to interact with the team in person because I haven't actually met some of the team until today. I also think that it's really important that we kind of give back to the community and help out and remember the values and things that we stand for as Rolls-Royce and think about sustainability and how we can contribute to our community as well.
Oh wow! I'm really pleased that we've been able to help you with those areas because what you've done for us is helped create a brand new area for the environmental education project team to work with school groups and also for families to come and enjoy visiting the centre. So it's been really beneficial for us, and another big thank you.
Well,
Thank you very
thank
much.
you.
Thank
It's been a
you.
massive pleasure for us. We've really enjoyed it. And I'm sure many more Rolls-Royce teams will come through in the future and have a great experience as well. Thank you.
Yay, that would be great. And come back and see how it's developed as well, please
Yeah.
do.